This video was brought to you by Elbilmek, ABRP, Stormberg, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? Today we're gonna test auto parking in the Nio EL8. This is the latest and greatest technology from Nio. You know, previously I tested it in the ES8, which is quite old. This is based on the NT2 platform. So everything has been improved. So how good is the auto parking now? Well, let's see. We expect the best because this is the flagship of Nio. So it's the EL8 Executive. It doesn't matter, but I'm just gonna show you. It's not relevant for the parking test, but yeah, we have the nice wide executive seat and also the center console here with a fridge or a hot box, whatever you prefer. Oh yeah. So yeah, and the car is just packed with cameras. We have camera on top there, we have a camera here, we have ultrasonic sensors, Tesla go home, we have camera here, we have camera here, we have camera here, we have some tracking here, that's special equipment, we have LiDAR there, we have, do we have camera here? Yeah, camera there, of course, and also ultrasonic sensor here. So packed with cameras everywhere, so the car should be really good. Let me show you what we're talking about here. If I just drive, let's say, yeah, also when we're driving, you see some outline in the instrument cluster here. But if I, for example, do this and I use a 360 camera and we're driving, you can switch into so many different views here. No. Yeah, you can go into this view. We can go into this view so we can see the curves better. You know, don't want to damage any rims. Here we have some more settings, and then we have the auto parking button here. You can just enable it and it instantly found a bunch of spots without me having to scan like a German car, you know. And then we just let off the brake. Okay, it blinks left and then it goes back there. Nice and smooth, no sudden harsh movements. And then you see, it figures out and does it perfectly without jiggling back and forth. Superb! Well, actually, if you're in park and you do the swipe here and then you go to the park assist here, then it says shift into drive or reverse. Okay, but at least if we go into drive now and then press this button, it's trying to find a parking spot, but I'm looking for the pull-out option. And it doesn't seem like there is a pull-out option. See? Okay, so that's a bit minus. Maybe they don't pull out in China. Okay, but let me show you again. If we just... okay, now that we are in the search mode, it will just try to find spots. It keeps finding lots of spots. I wish I could zoom out here a bit to see everything. We're gonna test for the non-parking spot. You see, the one over there, we shouldn't park there, right? Will it find it? You see? Nice. Okay, plus points for that. I'm parking now. But also plus points that it goes forward for us. This is supposed to be auto parking, you know? When I tried the Volkswagen or whatever, it's like you have to drive manually forward. Why? Why can't the car do that for you, right? Look, it parks perfectly, quite confident, smooth, schnell, every time. This parking spot is actually very nice. There are some washed out lines here, plus those spots are kind of diagonal or something, right? Okay. If we just line up here-ish, close-ish, right? And then just, now we are still in drive, we just do the swipe and do this, it should instantly, it found it. And I can, oh, it sees it here also, you see? But you cannot press anything here. Yeah. But, okay, but if I go more forward, will it find the diagonal spots? Wait, okay, this is where it, oh, what the heck? Wait, I was too close, It found it earlier. Yeah, I want that. Let's see. What does it do? Blinks left. One thing I'm missing here, that, okay, nitpicking, is that it doesn't show you the outline of where it's supposed to go, unlike the Toyota. Toyota was wonderful. Some other cars also will show you where it's supposed to go, and then it does the thing. But wow, it can recognize these spots really nice. It doesn't try to park like some of the other cars. They just fail and they just park. It was Tesla. Tesla was parked. Look at this. Let me check. Look at this. Look how beautiful it parks, huh? Wow. And for the record, I was not sponsored by Nio. I was sponsored by you guys. Yeah, support me on Patreon. And of course I get some revenue from my sponsors and YouTube revenue and stuff, yeah. And also I get some commission from Sexy Button. Press the brake pedal and select the parking spot. But I cannot choose which direction I want to go. So it seems like it will always back in. Yeah, it doesn't go nose in. So that's small minus. I prefer to back in anyway. So for me though, I don't care too much. Well, actually there are a few cases where I actually want to go nose in. And that is when I'm with family. And if the spot, okay, here we just happen to have space behind the spot, right, the parking spot, right? But if we are backing up against the wall, I often have to take out stuff from the trunk, and then I want to actually go nose in. And you know, naturally we have mirrors on the side, so it's easy to back against the wall. But when you go nose in, then I need to rely on my own senses, which is not too good. Or if you have 360 camera, but if you're on a Tesla, then you're out of luck, right? So then it would be nice to have a nose in auto parking feature. Let's park between cars, see how well it can handle it. Okay, we do this, we do this. How about between the Audi and the Skoda? Is it this stall? This one, right? Yeah, if you have to, I kind of need to coordinate these two screens. So I also, slight minus point that it doesn't overlay that over this, right? Like a Toyota. Why do I keep mentioning Toyota? Because Toyota is by far the best for auto parking. It was outstanding how well it parked. I want to see how it can handle it. Wait, you are a bit close to that. Okay, ooh. It's kind of close to my comfort, but the car should know its corners, right? Well, it parks in here. Okay, it did the parking. It's kind of tight, but I can get out of here. Wait, what is that? Was that like a dong that you have to be careful? Okay, yeah, so I can park here, all right? So approved, and then we try, wait, can I? We have to try that. Oh, we have to try that, because this is kind of weird. These lines are more or less washed out. Can the car find anything here? Okay, let's see if we press this. All right, so you see, there are no lines over there. We have a car we can align against, but that's it. So you cannot choose anything. Will it find anything there at all? No, it doesn't. Okay. Yeah, so it's based on lines. Maybe that's a good thing. What, can I park here? Try. I'm just curious. What kind of spot is that? Okay, it's next to that Kia. Whoa, it goes really close to the Zoe though. Yeah, needless to say, it parks perfectly every time, and I have never seen it jiggle back and forth. It finds out how it's supposed to back up, and then it backs up perfectly. See? Superb, man. But let's try now parallel parking. Okay, let's see. These spots are occupied. The car, oh, it creates an outline of it. Interesting. Yeah, nice. And then they found out it was in that direction. Okay, that spot in the middle is available. Will the car find it? Yes, it found it. Okay. Oh, that's good. Okay, blinks left. That's good. The other left, blinks right. Will it scratch the rims though? Ooh. We just have to trust the car, right? We have 20-inch wheels. If it scratches the rim, then what? Nio takes the bill, right? Oh, it's kind of tight here, and the car is 5.1 meters long. Oh, it's tight. You can get in there, bro, but okay, it chose to do it like this. but I feel like I'm a bit far out here. Let me check here. If you look at that wheel, or that tire rather, the tire is technically on the line. Here, oh, barely. Because the rule, the law in Norway is that as long as all 4 tires are on the line, they can be slightly out, then it is legal. Then you cannot get a ticket. But I know in other countries, yeah, it's different, but at least here, I feel like it should be possible to park better than this. Wait, do we have pull-out option here? If I go to reverse, if I go forward, can I do this? This is where you need pull-out help. Nope, no pull-out help. See, this is really useful. That view here is quite critical, so you don't scratch your rims. And this car, despite being so big and long, it doesn't have any rear wheel steering. But it could seem like if I park manually, I can park tighter. There, wow, I like the display. Like the forward, this you can see the tire. Oh, that is ninja, man. Ninja display right there. So yeah, okay, so if you're an advanced driver, you can park better manually. But the car did a pretty good job either way, right? Or I can try again, but let's see. This is how I would park it, okay? We still had plenty of space. It was actually not that tight. Maybe I can give the car more headroom or more data to work with. I mean, it has LiDAR in the front. Maybe the LiDAR could figure out the exact distance between these 2 cars. See, it's still there. Okay, available. If I go all the way to the side of the Passat and then I try to park, see, it will do a better job. It actually chooses to go slight forward before it goes back. Oh, let me try to expose better. There we go. That was even with the lowest brightness level. No, it seems like it doesn't want to go that tight. I mean, I have proven that we can go closer, but there might be some margins that the car operates with. Maybe to avoid scratching the rim or something, I'm not sure. But it seems like no matter what you try. Huh? Okay. Huh? This time it was almost worse. Now the tires are outside of the line, and then we have humongous space here suddenly. So I feel like the parallel parking is not that great. But okay, let's try one last thing. What about on an empty spot? Will it find these non-rectangular spots? Oh, it found it. Oh, wow. Let's try it. It's not gonna scratch any rims or bump the tire into the curb, right? Hope not. So you can get help for an empty spot also. That's nice. I mean, sometimes you might be lazy, you know. Oh, it seems to park tighter now. Will it bump it? Oh! Perfect! Perfect! And then let's try one last thing before we end, okay? I just try this as extensive as possible. I want to try the complete empty spot here. Is this the one? I'm slightly confused here. No, there, here, no, that. See, this is why I need that overlay, because it's not always clear which spot I wanted to get. Okay. Why did it do that movement on the wheel? Okay, well, whatever. But now it should be able to do it in the first try, right? Since we don't have any cars between us. Slightly jerky movement there. Also shows you here, I forgot to show you, at the instrument cluster also shows you some progress there. Wow, it goes in the first try and then it should go move forward slightly and then finish it. And then, okay, it goes out a bit. That was also quite quick, and I want to show you that at least in this case, it will park better, tighter, see? So, I'm not sure in your country, but at least in Norway, this is approved and tight enough. Could maybe be a little bit tighter, so maybe slight minus. I mean, it's a completely empty spot now, so it should be able to go slightly closer. But overall, I'm quite impressed of how it can park, at least on the other earlier test. But still not perfect. I still consider the Toyota BZ4X the best. I think I should reborrow it one day and then just try to highlight again how good the Toyota is, because you guys don't have any idea how good it is. You've seen some of the other cars and think, oh, that's still good, Bjørn, why are you being so picky? Well, you haven't seen the Toyota video. Go watch the Toyota video and you'll be impressed of how well it does it. Here, okay, how many points will you give it? It got some minus point here and there, but it did find the non-parking spot and so on. It find the diagonal spot, you know? So I think I will give it maybe an 8. Yeah, do you guys agree? All right, that's going to be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.